Hey y'all, it's Miss Katie from Heritage Ways, and I have another fast and frugal meal for you. It can be a lunch, snack, or supper. So let's see what we can do. Okay y'all, today I'm going to make tostadas for our lunch. And this is meant to be a frugal meal, at least it is for me. I'm using some leftovers. This is very versatile. You have the license to do it however you want, and I have a disclaimer that I am not an expert or even anywhere near there of Mexican food. We just know we like it, and this is just my version today of tostada. I'm going to use this Bella ceramic electric skillet. Y'all, I love this thing. It is just it's easy to clean up. There's no Teflon. It's just a great item I'm glad I found for my kitchen. We've got some toppings here. I have the tostada shells that we will heat in the oven. And then I've got some leftover cowboy beans. Now, if you saw this video here, you'll see I added a secret and very weird ingredient to these. And I'll let you see that on the video. But this is cowboy beans and amped up a little bit with some extra vitamins and minerals, but it is basically baked beans with organic grass-fed beef added, along with the special secret weird ingredient that you'll learn about in that video. Okay, if I had some lard or bacon grease, I would use that. Right now I'm just using this MCT oil, which is actually what I use for my bulletproof coffee, and I use it every now and then in different things. I also used it in my pizza crust recipe that apparently a lot of people have appreciated on YouTube. It's got a lot of views, so that's interesting to me that they like that, and I'm happy about that. I've got these leftover cowboy beans I just talked to you about, and basically, now this isn't ideal, and I'm not claiming this is authentic. This is just using leftovers so that I don't have to throw them away. Just popping a little bit here, that's okay. Don't want to throw these away, and I thought, you know, instead of opening a jar of refried beans, why not just warm these up? So I'm going to mash it a little bit. Of course, it's got the meat in it, so it's not going to be smooth like refried beans out of a can, but it'll serve the purpose. Now, if I had some taco seasoning, I make my own taco seasoning, but we are in a season of change right now. I don't have any made. I will be making some and keeping it and using it here in the RV, and I don't buy those packages, but you know, if that's what you want to do, that's up to you. What I am going to do is add a little salsa, just because I don't have the dry taco mix, the powder. I'm just going to be topping this on the tostada shells that I'll heat up in the oven. So just need to heat those up, it's a flat taco shell. I love the crunch of taco shells. I prefer crunchy to soft. That's it. I'm just heating this up.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión.
Okay, y'all, we got the oven figured out for the first time. First time we're going to use the RV oven, and we're going to warm up these tostada shells. Then I'm going to build it, show you what it looks like, and we're going to eat them. Doesn't take long, so I don't know, not even 2 minutes. Let's see what the package. Well, the package doesn't say how long to heat it up because I'm sure they assume you know what you're doing when you buy it. It's a pretty authentic product. So, not even, I'd say just half a minute, I don't know, let's see. Just want to warm them up. Okay, I would say, I mean, they're hot. So that was less than a minute. think. Don't want to burn them. I've done that before. Okay, success. First time using the oven, yay. This awesome platter or plate, wooden, handmade. Came from my friend Denise and her husband, David, in North Carolina. Got a link down below of her Etsy shop. So you can see that down in the comments under where it's talking about my favorite earrings. Okay, here's what we're doing. I'm just going to turn this off. We just kept it warm in this awesome Bella ceramic electric skillet. And we are Amazon affiliates, so I'm going to put a link to this skillet down below. And I'm just going to build this, putting the beans on each tostada shell. I'll be spreading it around here in a minute. Super simple. But I just wanted to show you that you could do, you know, with what you could use what you have. Use leftovers. I know there are a lot of people, a lot of women have told me their husbands will not eat leftovers. I don't know how to react to that because my husband's never been like that. He's always been thankful for anything I've given him, except for two things, and I'll let him tell you about that one day. It's raining outside. This is a good Saturday lunch. I just topped it with some cheese I had. Shredded, it's two different kinds actually. I've got chopped tomatoes. I have lettuce that actually I'm just going to pile on here. And also you can top it with sprouts. That's what I will use on mine. Also. And then I have these packets. Remember, I'm trying to be frugal. Use what I have. These little ranch sauces that were left over from a takeout meal. I didn't throw them away, so we just brought them home. We've also got this mild taco sauce somebody could use, or the chunky salsa, hot and mild. So there you go. That's our lunch. I think I'll do some mild taco sauce on this one. I think I'll do the ranch on one. That'll be good. Alright, kids are in there playing a board game. I'm going to call them out in a minute to come eat. And this is what we have. So I've got frugal, fast, easy, and delicious Saturday lunch or rainy day lunch. I've got tostadas made by somebody who's not an authentic Mexican cook. But if you're looking for authentic Mexican food, I really wish you would go to Our Supper Stories. My friend Andrea is a dear friend and also the co-host of a podcast she and I have together called Casseroles and Tacos Podcast. You can go to casserolesandtacos.com and listen to our podcast there. But Andrea's YouTube channel and her website and her Instagram are Our Supper Stories. And I tell you that because she can tell you how to cook authentic Mexican food. But in the meantime, I'm here in Middle Tennessee with these tostadas, and we're going to eat them up. Thanks for watching, y'all, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.